Today we'll be creating a basic wallet connect font system with Reach, VanillaJS, and Parcel, which will then connect to an Algorand testnet using AlgoSigner. Prerequisites for this tutorial are Reach set up for Windows and a throwaway test wallet created with AlgoSigner with the phrase on hand. Links to these prerequisites can be found in the description below. To get started, we'll open Visual Studio Code and open up the terminal, and we'll cd to the desktop, and we'll make a directory, connect wallet, and we'll go open up that directory. Once inside that directory, we're going to open up the terminal again, type in npm init-y, and then we'll type in new item .babelrc. Then we'll head into that babelrc file. We'll create a plugin. Well, bring in a plugin. That plugin will be @babel plugin transform runtime. Okay, now we'll head back down to the terminal, make another directory, of course. We'll cd into that directory, and a new item, index.js, and then another new item, index.html. Then we'll run yarn add -d parcel bundler. And that'll take a little while to load. Once that's done loading, we're going to head into the package.json, delete this test, and put in dev, which we'll call parcel source index.html. And right below it, we'll put in prod. We'll call parcel build source index.html. Okay, now we'll head into the source directory and index.html. We'll type in html:5, type enter. That'll bring in some boilerplate HTML. Then inside this body tag, we're going to put in a div. And inside that div, a button on click, call connect wallet. Right below this div tag, we're going to put out a script tag. We'll search index.js. Okay. Now we'll go back to the terminal. We'll yarn add @reach-sh/stdlib. That'll also take a little while to load. Once that's done loading, we'll head over to the index.js file. We'll import load stdlib. And then right below that, we are going to put in const reach is equal to load stdlib and then algo. Okay. Now we can do a window.onload. Will be asynchronous. And now finally we can create the connect wallet function. Window.connectWallet. And this function is actually going to call two sub-functions, get account and get balance. To start working on those, we'll create two local variables, let account and let balance. Okay. And then to build those, create the get account function. And inside there, we'll set the account is equal to await reach.getDefaultAccount. And we'll console.log that account variable. Below that, we'll create the getBalance function. we'll create a local raw balance variable and assign it to await reach.balance of account. And we'll set the balance is equal to reach.formatCurrency raw balance and 4. And we'll console.log that balance variable. And we'll head back up here and we'll wait the getAccount function and the getBalance function. Okay, before we can run this, we're going to need to go out and install Reach proper, which is what we'll use to set up the Algorand testnet. So here on the install and initialize page in the Reach documentation, which there will be a link to in the description, we're going to go and get this curl command. I'm going to go back here to Visual Studio Code, hit a WSL terminal, cd into the source directory, and then paste in that command. Okay, now with that installed, you can call reach connector mode equal to algo./reach devnet. Now that the devnet is up and running, we can go over here to the PowerShell terminal, /yarn dev. And that'll take a little while to get set up, but once it's done, we'll be able to go over to the browser and see how the application looks. Alright, so here's how our application looks so far. So we're going to go up in the corner, click Connect Wallet, give it our throwaway wallet phrase. And we could see that it successfully got the account information and the balance information. Alright, so now to bring in the fund functionality, we're going to create a new function, be window.fundWallet. Which will create a local variable called fundAmount and assign it the value of document.getElementById fundAmount input .value, then it will wait reach.fund from faucet. We're going to hand account and reach.parseCurrency fundAmount. Then right below that, we're going to call the getBalance function again to get our updated balance. We'll head over here to the index.html, create another div. Inside that div, we're going to put an input with ID of fundAmount input, and then a button on click, going to call fundWallet. Alright, let's go see how that looks. So here's the updated application. We're going to start out with connecting the wallet again. We'll give it the phrase again. See, it got the account information and the balance information. So now we're going to give it 5algo. And this usually takes a few seconds. Alright, there it is. We can see it gave our test wallet 5 test algo. Alright, that wraps up the basic Wallet Connect fund system. If any of you have any ideas for future tutorials, I'd love to hear them. Thanks everybody and have a great day.